Hi guys, welcome back to Think. So in this video, I want to calculate the volume above the xy plane that is inside the circular cylinder. X squared plus y squared equals to 2y, and underneath the surface C equals to 8 plus 2y. Okay, so I want to find volumes in space. Okay, so if you're given a problem like this, you should know that this is a circle. All you need to do is to find the radius of this circle. Okay, so what we're going to do here, we have two equations. Okay, so first one, I'm going to start with this and want to find volume. So it's either using triple integral or using double integral. It's just the same thing. I'll show you what's the same thing. Okay, so for this one, let us write x squared plus y squared is equals to 2y. And what if we bring 2y here, okay, and complete the square after that? We're going to get x squared plus y squared minus 2y is equals to 0. Okay, then I want to complete the squares, just divide this by 2 and square that. So it's x squared plus y squared minus 2y plus 1, but we don't need this one, so I'm going to say minus 1 is equals to 0. So I'm going to have x squared plus y squared minus 2y plus 1 is equals to 1. Okay, and if we factorize here, it's a complete by completing the squares, so it's going to be x squared, okay, y minus 1 is equal to 1. Okay, so automatically we know that this is a circle. Okay, so this is a circle, but the radius is not the origin. Okay, so let's draw a circle here. Y x, so the center is 1 0, so this is the circle. This is the center 1. Okay, so it's a full circle. Let's put the limits. Both are using cylindrical coordinates. Okay, you can just use rectangular coordinates, but cylindrical coordinates are very easy, especially when dealing with cylinder. Okay, theta ranges from 0 to 2 pi. Then r, the radius, from 0 to 1. Okay, I think I'll make another video using rectangular coordinates. You see just the same. Okay, and now we're going to with this plane. Okay, so if you look at this plane, these are the z limits. Okay, this is underneath the surface, so that means this is the upper limit of z, is underneath, so the lower limit of z is equal to 0. So that means z ranges from 0 to the surface 8 plus 2y. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so if you want to use double integrals, z is equals to 8 plus 2y is going to be our integrand. Okay, so if we want to use triple integral, we're going to put the limits for z by just the same thing. Why I'm saying just the same thing. Okay, so let's say we want to use the double integral first. Okay, so if we want to use the double integral first using cylindrical coordinates, we're going to have 2 pi here. Okay, 0, radius 1 0, and we're going to say 8 plus 2y. So this same is saying 8 plus 2 r sine theta. Okay, this is right, divide this. We're going to say r dr d theta. As you can see, this is the setup of our double integral cylindrical coordinates. Okay, what if we want to use the triple integrals? Okay, so we have 2 pi 0 here for theta, 1 0. Then for z, we're going to have 0 8 plus 2r sine theta dz. Okay, r dr the theta. And when you integrate, if you integrate here with respect to z, we're going to get this one. So just make this with the formula here. Okay, but we'll only use double integrals when you know that the lower bound of z is equal to 0. If the lower bound of z was not equal to 0, this will not work, but this will work. Okay, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use the double integral. Okay, but just the same thing. Okay, so using the double integral here, okay, let me indicate here so that you don't get confused. What is it going to be? If we integrate with respect to theta first, with respect to r first, we're going to have 2 pi 0 1 0 8 r. Please don't forget this r squared sine theta dr d theta. Okay, so let's integrate here. We're going to have 2 pi 0. You're going to have 8r squared over 2 plus 2r to the power 3 over 3 sine theta. Then our limits 1 and 0. We no longer have dr, so we're going to be left with d theta. So we're going to have here this into this, we cancel. Okay, and now going to have, okay, this one into this one, we're going to get 4. Okay, so we're good. So we're going to have 4 plus 2/3 sine theta, okay, d theta. Now we're going to integrate this. So if we integrate with respect to theta, we're going to have 4 theta plus 2 over thirds. If we integrate sine theta, we're going to have negative cos theta. Let me put a bracket here. Our limits 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so we're going to have 4 pi. We know that cos 2 pi is equals to 1, and cos theta is also equals to 1. We're going to have 2/3 times 1, okay, minus 4 times 0 plus 2/3. Okay, so this is equal to, okay, sorry, this is negative, so we're going to have our answer 4 pi. Okay, so this was it for this question. I hope you subscribe. Okay, thank you for watching.